we are now going to see how to book a cab. It's very important these days to go from place to place, whether we have cars or whether we have our own vehicles, and whether we are used to travel by train or bus. Never mind, sometimes we have to book cabs, isn't it? Maybe for instance to the airport. So, how would you call up and book a cab? That is what we are going to see now. Shall we? Okay. Cab booking. What is a cab? Cab is a taxi. Cab booking. Okay, let us assume that you are going to the airport and we will see how we are going to work. First, you just dial a cab number and tring tring it rings. Hello, is it Ola Cabs? I would like to book a cab. And then what would he say? Yes sir, this is Ola Cabs. Where would you like to go? He will ask. And immediately you will say, I just want to go to the airport. And next question would be pick up or drop. You will say just drop. Okay. Then next question, what would he ask? What, AC or non-AC? He may ask you, isn't it? Then you will say if it is a hot day, you will ask for an AC car, and if it is a cold day or a wet day, you will ask for an ordinary cab. But nowadays, due to the pollution, everybody goes in for an AC cab because that is safer, isn't it? Very few cars they ply with non-AC. So, you just say, yes, I would like to have an AC cab, and immediately the next the person from Ola Cabs will ask, do you want, how many people are travelling sir? Is it a big vehicle or small vehicle? Which one would you prefer? Then you can just say, we are 4 of us and it is just drop at airport. And next question will be, is the luggage, are the luggages too many or few? Do you want a big car or a small car? Then if it is because there are 4 people, you can ask for how many, you can ask for a 5-seater car or a 6-seater car. You can just ask for a Innova car. Okay. Okay, we would like to have an Innova car because we have a lot of luggage, and the cab is supposed to be clean and neatly maintained. And he will say, yes sir, what time would you like to like me to send the car? And you can just say 8:30 in the night, because 3 hours before the flight you go, isn't it? So, if the flight is 11:30 in the night, you can ask for 8:30. Thank you sir, the cab will be at your doorstep exactly at 8:30, and you will put the phone down. Okay. This is how you book a cab. So, it is very essential whether you are in Tamil Nadu or Kerala or North India, you should know to speak in English, because you can't be learning the language of every state, isn't it? We have so many states in India, and English is a common language used within India or even outside India. So, it is very imperative or very essential that you learn this language English. You can't be learning Hindi and Malayalam and Telugu and Kannada and all the Marathi and all the languages. So, you just be conversant in English and definitely anybody will understand. Okay, now shall we go in for the dialogue? Okay, take down. Mr. White. Hello, is this Ola Cabs? and I'll just write Ola, okay. Yes, Ola cabs. First question, where do you have to go, sir? He'll ask. Okay, so where do you have to go? You have to go to the airport. Okay. I want to book a cab to the airport. Okay. Next question he'll ask is, airport, it can be dropping a person there or even bringing somebody from the airport to your house. So, he'll just ask pick up or drop. That is, drop means taking you from your house and dropping you at the airport, and pick up means somebody coming from some other place to pick them up and drop you at home. So, next question. Pick up or drop, sir? He'll ask, and you will say it's dropping, it's drop or dropping at the airport. And Ola person asks, how many people, sir? How many people, sir? Do you want a big vehicle?